Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And once more, can you hear my voice, please?
Morning, Doctor. Yes, we can hear.
Yes, good morning and sorry for a bit delay because of the my way back in my PC has problem. So just I just opened my laptop, so it now using laptop. Okay, I hope you in the good condition, ya, good healthy today. Insyaallah malam cuti. Cuti tapi banyak banyak kerja lah kan, banyak buat assignment dan lain-lain. Uh, Today, our tutorial is about economy factor. Maybe you this file from PM1 already or not before? Ada dapat tak? Halo,
Apa, Doctor?
Dr. Wan Dr. Wan ada bagi file ni tak ke you?
Apa? Notes Notes yang ini ya, Doctor. Ada apa?
Right. So you just got it from me, ya.
Ya.
Cari aja. Hmm. Okay. Today our tutorial is about economy factor. Maybe this is about the material from the one, material two. I mean chapter two. So in this tutorial we will learn about the calculations of uh, how to use the table, yeah, how to use the table, and also how we calculate the present value, present worth, and also we calculate the gradient, yeah, and we can. I also learn, yeah, from you if I wrong to explain to you, and if I don't know, I will give and I will ask to PM1, and then I will inform you if you have a question and I cannot answer, and I will keep the question and I will give to you, I will back to you, and I will explain to you. Jadi tutorial ini sebenarnya saya pun belajar, sesama belajar. Ya, saya hapus tuh. Okay, okay. Based on our file, anyone who want to answer number one? Siapa? Saya panggil dulu nama.
Saya doktor.
Yeah. Okay, please
Uh,
read or share your file and
uh,
share your
uh,
file.
okay, sekejap ya doktor.
The others please see together, ya. Yang ada boleh hidupkan dia punya kamera, boleh hidupkan. Jadi saya tak rasa seorang. Nanti lepas ini kita apa nak tunggu Amar menyanyi lah nanti. Saya nak dengar Auseng ini juga. Kita relax ya, kita relax. Yang mudah-mudahan ada berkah. Yang terlalu tegang. Mana?
Uh, Nampak tak doktor?
Oke,
Okay, nampak
nampak. Besarkan sikit.
Okay.
Oke, Rick,
Okay.
please.
Okay, so first question. Determine how much FTKMP Berhad can afford to spend now on an energy management system if the software will save the company RM 21,300 per year for the next 5 years. Use an interest rate of 10% per year. Okay,
Hmm.
so From the question kita dapat keluarkan data. So the first one is time period, which is 5 years. Yang tu ialah N. Okay, and then for interest rate 10%, itu ialah I. Okay, and then dia bagi RM 21,300 ni ialah value untuk A, sebab dia kata per year for next 5 years. So dia bukan single payment, dia uniform series payment. Okay, and then dia tanya how much can afford to spend now, maksudnya present value. Okay, and then kita guna equation yang ni, yang find P given A and then IN to find the present value.
Okay.
So okay, and then kita masukkan value A, which is 21,300. Okay, and then kita find the value for this one in the dalam kurungan ni from the table. Okay, so firstly kita cari table yang 10% macam ni.
Okay,
and
correct.
then okay, and then N ialah 5, so kita cari N5 dekat ni.
Oh, Zalora.
N5 dekat sini.
Zalora nampak.
Okay, N5 dekat sini, and then yang tadi kita guna PA, find P given A. So kat sini dapat value 3.791.
Okay.
Okay, and then masukkan dalam equation. So 21,300 darab dengan 3.791 dapat 80,740. So PKMP punya berhad can afford to spend RM80,748 now.
Okay.
Okay.
Excellent. Let we check ya. Check together the answers from.
Okay.
Thank you, Afif ya. Kalau betul kita bagi dia tepuk tangan banyak-banyak.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
என்ன 18,000 போட்டிருக்கான், நான் வேற மாதிரி ஏதோ போட்டிருக்கேன்.
Okay.
Okay.
Number 1 ya. Boleh nampak ah?
Answer 33,000.
Nampak?
Boleh.
Afif, can
Boleh.
you see? So the answer is correct ya. Tepuk tangan dulu lama-lama. Tahu enggak? Okay ya. This one is BNT. This is a photo file, but this one are reaching FTKMP. Determine how much FTKMP can afford to spend on now
Seriously, I
on
moved.
an energy management system if the way we save the company ringgit Malaysia
Simple question itself.
21,300 ringgit per year for 5 next year. Yeah. So as you know, yeah, given they give the we want to find the P, yeah, given A. So I think all of you already know how to use the table, yeah, but I will explain. Maybe some of your friends don't know how to use the table. Okay, let's check mana table. So tadi dicarinya given A to find F ya, to find P ya, 5%. Oke, di sini ya, 5%. Given A to find P, atau to find P given A, given. Yang di sini ya, given. Ini tadi. Oke, given. Ini P.
Doktor, 10%.
Itu 5%. Ni 10. Kita
10%.
10%.
Sorry, 10%. Tak nampak soalan. 10%. This one. 6. Jadi kalau persen, berapa persen kita pergi ke persen dia. Okay. Nah, ini 10% ya. To find P given A. Okay. To find P given A, 10%. Kemudian N dia berapa? 5 ya?
5.
Berapa N dia?
5.
So 3.791 3.791, 3.791.
Doktor,
Jadi, ya saya.
ni saya nak tahu. Tak apa, habiskan dulu. Sorry.
Ya, biasa kita habiskan dulu calculation. Okay, and then we will get like this. Okay, this one is 3.791. This is apa namanya, dia gabungkan jadi satu, dibulatkan jadi satu. Jadi we will get the 80,000 $80,000 ya. This one is dollar, but should be ringgit ya. Heaven for poor. Tadi nak tanya apa?
Doktor, macam mana nak tahu yang ni single payment ke uniform payment? And then how the graph will look like?
Biasanya dia ada di bagian tadi siapa ada Afif? Macam mana dia ni adalah uniform ya. Kita tengok determine how much when we can afford spend energy management will set company per year. Normally like this ya. Normally we have keyword something like this. Nampak biasanya ada each, ada per year. Biasanya itu sebagai keyword lah.
Yes.
Kalau nampak per year ni dia ni uniform. Jadi ada misalkan dia nampak feature ya, berapa yang akan didapat misalkan, tapi ada kata feature-nya tu dia pakai to find F. Ada yang gradient ni ada ciri-ciri khas. Makanya dari tutorial ni, from this tutorial we can identify the keyword of the question. Ya, ni baru nomor 1 nanti nampaknya dia per year ni dia adalah uniform sama tapi per tahun tiap tahun until 5 year. Boleh paham ya? Kita ada 14 soalan nih, lumayan banyak.
So
Okay,
so kalau buat graph tu dia kita buat straight line 0 1 to 5, 0 until 5, naik 1 2 3 4 5 tu setiap tu ada arrow naik atas 21,300. So macam tu ke dok? Macam tu kan?
Betul. Dia tiap ini dia naik ke atas satu.
So yang last punya yang tahun 5 tu dia punya tu naik atas ke turun bawah?
Naik ke atas. Semua naik ke atas.
Semua naik atas.
Kalau ni dia tak bagi ya. Macam ni, kalau dia turun ke bawah. Dapat kemudian dia macam keuntungan atau macam sesuatu yang akan didapatkan masuk ke dalam kita punya account, ke dalam bank kita, dia
cik. Wi-Fi switch ಮಾಡಿದೆ ஏற்கனவே ஒன்றும் கேட்காது போயிட்டான் நம்ம லைன்ல அவன் போயிட்டான் போயிட்டான்டா
No.
number 2 apa? Number 2
அந்த ஒரு கேலியே புத்தாயிடுச்சு
ada siapa yang ada list ya? Saya listnya simpan dulu.
Saya doktor.
Oh, ada suara yang boleh kan? Raden.
Ya doktor.
Raden Natasha. Oke, panggil Natasha ke Raden?
Panggil Radin.
Oh, Raden. Kalau kami di Indonesia Raden macam lelaki. Pak Raden, Pak Raden, Pak Ogasi Unyil dulu. Oke. Okay, please then show your file ya.
Doktor nampak?
Nampak? Boleh baca, please. Bateri nak habis.
Okay.
Terus.
Okay, soalan dia, a family that won a 100 100,000 prize decide to put one half of the money in a college fund for their child who was responsible for the prize. If the fund earned interest at 6% per year, determine the amount of the account 14 years after it was started. So, kat sini saya buat dua pengiraan. Satu guna formula, satu guna table. Kalau guna formula, macam ni lah dia punya
Boleh jelaskan?
line dia. So, kira then masukkan formula F sama dengan P, kurungan F per P, I, N. Then, masukkan je I tu
Macam ni
6%.
caranya. FSP tu jadi to find F given P. Jadi you tak keliru ni.
F given P.
To find F given P.
Yes, F given P. So, masukkan nilai dia. Dapat yang ni.
Lepas tu yang tu guna
Yang
calculation.
guna table tu. Ni kalau guna calculation biasa. Kalau guna table, kena tengok table 6% dekat page 16. Sebab dia single payment. Then cari dia ada find F given P. So, table dia.
Sama ya.
Apa tak? Sekejap.
The result is almost the same ya.
Yes, like that. So, masukkan je lah. Dia punya nilai dia, then dapat nilai ni. 113050.
Okay, bagus ya kalau we can prove from two side. I mean from the manual calculation and using table is good ya. Okay, let me check ya. Thank you Raden. Tepuk tangan dulu untuk Raden.
Okay, doktor.
Bagi tepuk tangan.
Oh.
Okay, applause. Okay, cantik. Okay, kita tengok hasil dia. Nombor 2. Okay, correct ya. Using this is from table. A family that won Ringgit Malaysia 100,000 prize decided to put one half of the money in a college fund for the child who was responsible for the prize. If the funds earns interest at 6% per year, okay, 6% per year, determine the amount in the account 14 years after it was started. Jadi macam ni ya, kita tengok ni. 14 tahun after started. Jadi maknanya ni feature lah, feature. Jadi 14 tahun ke depan dengan invest dengan 6% tu. Jadi berapa dia dapat tu? Ya. Logiklah dia naik jadi jadi 13,000.
Hello.
Kita okay, line doktor putus. Wait. Let's wait. Zafan ni. Zafan ni. Hah? Fanatic player.
Oh.
Lain pun
அவனுக்கா உனக்குதா ஏதோ இப்போதைக்கு ஓடிக்கிட்டு
என்னது
ஏன் தெரியுமா நான் இப்போ வந்து அவன் கிளாஸ் அடிக்க நான் பேசாம இருக்கேன் அடிக்கிறேன் சொல்லுங்க என்ன வந்து ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகிக்கிட்டு இருக்கு ஒன் ஹவர் டுட்டோரியல் நான் இதுக்கு முன்னாடி கிளாஸே அவ்வளோவா எதுவும் இதாக என்னது அவ்வளோ புரியல எனக்கு நான் அது புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு நான் எழுதி முடிச்சாதான் என்னால் இதை ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ண முடியும்
அப்படின்னு இல்ல
Okay, go to number 3. Siapa number 3? Siapa number 3?
இருக்கிற
Number 3.
Saya
Okay, kita buat cepat ya. Ada 14.
என்ன படம்னா எக்கனாமியா
நேற்று செஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருந்தேன் அது வேற ஆளை கூப்பிட்டேன் பரவாயில்ல விடு.
Baca question dia.
எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க கிளாஸ்ல
எங்களால்
doktor,
47 பேர்
saya punya laptop ni macam problem. Lebih baik so saya guna phone boleh tak?
Boleh, no problem. Free.
Okay. Nampak tak?
Belum. Oh, di sini ya? Ya,
Ah.
saya tak nampak. You boleh baca lah, you boleh baca. Saya boleh semak.
Okey. Ah, kalau ikutkan soalan nombor 3 ni, dia kata the new equipment will cost 220,000. So it mean
Suara putus-putus.
P dia ialah 220,000. And then dia kata saving each year for 3 years mean N dia ialah 3. So rate interest rate dia pula dia kata ialah 10% per year. So I dia ialah 10%. So saya ikut table untuk AP untuk 10%. So based on the formula, the calculation will be P times AP times I times N. So the calculation will be 220,000 darabkan nilai yang diambil daripada tables ialah 0.4021. And the company save each year will be 88,462 ringgit Malaysian.
88 ya?
88
Point?
tak ada point. Dia 88,462 ringgit Malaysian.
Okay, correct. Let's check ya. Saya boleh simak sekali dengan jawapan di sini. Thank you
Okay,
ya
dah.
Amar jawabannya betul. Tepuk tangan lagi
Oh.
untuk Amar ya. Thank you.
Thank you doktor.
Bagi applause ramai-ramai, nampak cantik. Thank you. Alright, let's check ya. Saya langsung aja, saya tak payah baca lagi, kita langsung ke jawaban dia. Jawaban dia given P to find A ya, atau to find A given P. P is here as a present ya, because they want to invest in the first, and then they want to find the save each year. Nampak ni, save each year ya, for 3 years. Jadi kita nak cari yang uniform 3 selama 3 tahun until 3 years, and then with the interest rate 10%, and then we can get the result like this ya. 88,000 ringgit 462 for Amar ya, but here it maybe just a little bit different. For the calculation, make sure that your calculation is not too much different, but if $1, 1 ringgit or 0 point something different is okay. But if the difference is 1,000 ringgit, so it will be problem. So you need to recheck it again, your result, yeah? Because later maybe I will not check the I will not check your final exam, but the PM1 will check. Okay, thank you Amar. Let's we go to the next question. Siapa nombor 4 yang rela yang saya tunjuk hari itu di dalam ini senarai? Saya tak nak boleh buka. Apa? Can anyone answer from the Excel? Tunjuk khusus saja. Ada orang? Kalaupun tak ada, siapa yang bersedia boleh juga. Ya, saya cari nama. Saya pun
Doktor, kalau saya jawab nombor 4 saya tak yang nyanyi boleh tak?
tak ini. Tak apa, santai dulu. Relax. Saya panggil dulu orang yang saya tengok nombor 4. Belinda.
Okey doktor, okey.
Belinda. Di manakah engkau Belinda? Kalau tak Belinda, siapa lagi nih? Rakesh Kumar. Rakesh, can you hear me? Yes. Ada. Kalau tak, kita ke yang berikutnya. Amirul Hafiz. Amirul. Can you hear me, Amirul? Amar jangan takut nak nyanyi. Kita tuh nak ada regangkan otak saja lepas kita kalkulit banyak-banyak.
Bukan takut, nervous.
Kau tahu jadi artis Malaysia. Amirul Hafiz. Tak ada ya, baru join ya. Rakesh Kumar pun baru join nih. Rakesh, can you hear me, Rakesh? Amirul Hafiz, can you hear me? Halo? Nur Najwa, number 4. Nur Najwa. Can you hear me, Najwa?
I can hear you. Okay.
Oh, ini bagus suara.
Sorry, doktor. I try, but saya tak apa faham tapi saya cubalah.
Well, after that we can discuss together ya, no problem. Kita hargai. Okay, please.
Yeah, wait.
Share the point.
Nice. Okay. Oh no, tak boleh bet. Wait, doktor. Sorry.
Apa? Sampai petang pun kami tunggu Najwa.
Aduh. Nervous.
Apa Amar tadi nervous macam mana nak melamar anak orang nak Aman? Okay, please Najwa, you can read. I can see.
Okay, for here. Dekat sini kita akan cari yang F ni lah, yang future ni. Then diberi 100,000 dan juga 150,000. Dan dia punya tahun dia 4 tahun dan juga dia punya manufacturing plan dia ada 3. Dan dia punya interest rate 8%. Then kita akan letak 1,000 di sini dan kita akan tengoklah pada F given P. Sekejap.
To find F given P.
F given P. Hmm,
Hilang.
okay,
Hilang.
share. Okay. So, saya tak nak share antara dua screen.
Oke.
Okay. F given P, tengok dekat sini. F given P diberi tadi yang sebentar tadi tu 8%. Okay, 8%.
Oke.
Dan kita tengok pada 4 tahun 1.360 dan tahun ketiga 1.260.
Hmm.
Sekejap. Ah, okay. Okey, dekat sini 100,000 ni akan darat dengan 1.360 dan tambah dengan 1,500 ni 150,000 darab dengan 1.260 dan akan dapat jawapan dia RM 325,000. Betul tak, doktor?
Oke, thank you ya Najwa.
Okay, thank you, doktor.
Banyak duit Najwa, 325.000.
Amin.
Ya, insya Allah ya. Anda
Okay.
banyak duit.
Okay.
Oke, let's check ya. Telepon. Duit Najwa, tepuk tangan dulu untuk Najwa. Semoga jadi bisnis woman. Kita pergi ke
Wonder I wonder
share lagi.
Why this back pain killing me?
Oke, kita tengok the answer ya.
Itu pak.
The answer
எல்லா
is
ஏரியாவும் இதுதான் ரொம்ப டேமேஜ்.
Oke, correct ya. 325.
நாளைக்கு ஒரு
Nomor
நாள்
5
செஞ்சுட்டு
nampak.
மறுநாள் நான் ரிலாக்ஸ் பண்ணி
Nampak.
தான்டா ஆகணும். இல்லைன்னா காடி ஓட்டுறது சுத்தி எழுந்துரும் எனக்கு அதோட.
Oke, 325 correct ya. The answer from Najwa. So itu
Sorry doktor, saya nak tanya berkaitan dengan kita bila kita tengok table kan. Dekat table ada tunjuk 1.360. Jadi sekiranya plus minus kat sini 1.365 dan juga 1.2597. Dalam table menunjukkan setelah number yang keempat tu dibundarkan. Jadi kalau jawapan dia 325,000 saja tak apa kan?
sama salah. That is still okay. But I told you before the answer if the difference only one digit, yeah, it's okay. But if the difference is 3 digit, 1,000, 3,000 different, it will be problem. Rugi company. Kalau macam tu.
Okay, thank you doktor.
Jadi dimaklumkan lah. Macam kita ada salah ke orang, salah sikit-sikit maafkan lah. Jangan dimasuk ke hati.
Doktor. Doktor.
Ya, ya.
Saya buat macam ni. Kan dia kata dia mula-mula masuk 100,000 kan for first year. So saya kira first year 100,000 dengan dia punya apa tu yang value dari table, saya dapat jawapan untuk first year. Lepas tu saya ambil value tu campur dengan 150,000 dan pakai value yang baru tu dengan table punya value, saya dapat RM325,080. So how is that different?
I mean the difference is not too much here, but you still get 3,205, right?
325,080 ringgit. So 80 ringgit difference there.
I think it's okay. That one's still okay. No issue. That one. Sometimes the difference because of the different table calculation and some of the table given to you is also different. Yeah, but that one is not too much different. Still okay. Yeah. But the important is you can. Angeline. Angeline, can you hear me, Angeline? Tes, tes, tes.
Yes,
Okay.
I can hear.
Okay, Angeline. Please, Angeline. You can share your file. Okay, please. Just direct how to calculate this one.
Yeah. I'm not really sure how to explain it, but this is the answer.
Okay. Please explain.
Uh, is the company, if the loss of production of the company is 11,000, and then the reduced downtime is 30% and for the next 4 years, and the interest rate is 12%.
Hmm.
And this is the answer by using the formula.
Okay. Okay, this one is a uniform A, yeah.
What the?
Okay, Angeline, that's all. Or you anyone to help? Anyone to explain?
No, so that's all.
Okay, so jawaban dia 100.221. Okay, thank you ya Angeline. Let's we check Angeline. Ini jawabannya adalah 100. Tadi Angeline berapa? 100.221 ya?
Ayun, say, 100,221.
This one is 100.231. I think still okay. Okay, let me check ya. Okay, we from this number five we can read yeah because we want to make it faster. Okay, the question is about P and then they give the downtime 30%. This one is important yeah. When you get this one, so we need to calculate first uh, the the number given and then multiply by 30,000 first. Okay, and then 110,000 multiplied by 30%. So we will get this result yeah, 33,000, and we calculate using table for this, and then we will get 100,000 ringgit. Yeah, this one should be ringgit. Okay, I think this one is no issue, but in this number what you should understand is if you need to read first about this one yeah? If they have a sometime reduced discount 30%, reduced downtime 30%, something like this almost the same, so you need to calculate it first and then try to put in the calculation. Okay, thank you Angeline. Tepuk tangan untuk Angeline ramai-ramai. Ramai-ramai, jangan sendiri. Kalau sendiri tak cantik. Oke, saya pun bagilah. Saya bagi. Oke, kita lanjut ke nomor 6. Nomor 6 adalah apa nih? Boleh langsung dari Au Seng An. Au Seng. Au Seng An. Ada Au Seng An?
Yes, doctor.
Oke, please. Au Seng An. You can share. You can directly read your answer ya. Question is no need ya. Just direct.
Okay.
Wonder
So,
wonder
we apply the formula in order to determine how much must be saved in the fuel cost each year to justify the extra cost. We using the formula like P. Uh,
Okay.
P is the period payment is 434 lah, so you can see lah. Price with the interest 8%, and then we calculate accordingly, and then we get then divide the amount, and then we can get the final answer. It's 108.70 lah, so should at least save at least this amount lah.
Okay.
That's all for me.
Okay. Okay, let me check ya.
Okay.
Berapa tadi dia? Number 6 ya. Okay, the answer will be berapa jawaban tadi? Say?
108.70 cents. Yeah.
Okay, correct ya, same ya.
Then
Same. So here you can see the answer is 108.70 cents. We can read ya. We want to find a uniform. Ada tak? Coba kita tengok A di sini. Dia punya the keyword here is about per year ya. Okay, this one is about per year. Yeah, so we want to find a uniform model. So we will get this one, and then we put it in the table, and then we can get this one 0.25, and then we multiply by 434, and then we will get this. Okay. Next, continue to number. Tepuk tangan dulu. Ada lupa saya. Kita dulu sedikit penghargaan. Terima kasih Ausen. And then we go to number 6. Number 7. Number 7 is Dinesh Kumar. Ada Dinesh Kumar? Dinesh Kumar.
Ada sir. Ada dokter, ada dokter.
Okay, please.
Okay dokter.
Maybe you can read this one is because the question is not too long.
Okay.
Okay, please.
Okay, let me start reading the question, sir.
Yeah, please.
A company that makes self-clenching fasteners expects to purchase new production line equipment in 3 years. If the new units will cost around 350 amount the determined amount should the company set aside each year if the account earns 10% per year. Okay, this is the solution, sir. We have to extract information as usual. The number of years is 3 years, and then the future value given is 350,000, and then the interest rate is 10% per year, and then the amount we should find is unknown. First of all, we need to construct the cash flow diagram, and then this is the solution, sir.
Okay.
To find the
What is the
amount.
to find A? Right? What is
To find A.
what is the keyword here in the question about A? Can you show?
Okay, the keyword is the company expects to purchase new production line equipment in 3 years. So if the units will cost around $350,000, the unit in future will cost around 350,000. Then we should determine the amount the company should assign each year
So here, each year.
The amount, yes. The amount that the company should set aside each year. So we have to find the A.
Okay. Okay, correct. The answer is correct. The in my answer is little bit different. Just said 735. This one is in my answer 739. Only different for ringgit. Ya. Okay, let me check ya. My answer. Thank you, Dinesh.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Kita bagi aplaus untuk Dinesh. Terima kasih atas jawaban. So we go to okay, number 7. Okay, correct ya. Nampak? Can you see Dinesh? Okay.
Answer.
Okay, because you already read and then the answer is correct. And see the keyword here. They give they give F ya. Can see will cost. Will cost nih mean feature ya will. Feature tense ya. Kalau kita bahasa Inggris pun will nih feature kan. So will means they give F and then to find A. A is each year. So within what 3 years, and then we get also get information. The interest rate is 10%. So we will get this one in the table, and then you can get this one. You can also try calculate using the manual, using what is that formula. That is also okay. Okay, we go to number 8.
Yes, Doktor. Saya, Peno.
Host langsung menjawab. Terima kasih.
Okey, Doktor.
Mantap. Okay, venue, please.
Okey, Doktor. Wait, Doktor. Nampak tak, Doktor?
Nampak?
Okay, good morning, Doctor, and my dear fellow friends. Okay,
Morning,
kelas.
morning.
Kelas, fokus kelas. Jangan buta, tidur ah. Okay, Doktor, sebelum saya mulakan, saya baca soalan dulu.
Okay, please.
Okay, profits from recycling paper, cardboard, aluminium, and glass at FTK have increased at a constant rate of RM1,100 each year. If this year's profit end of year 1 is expected to be RM6,000 and the profit trend continues through year 5, determine the present worth of the profit at an interest rate of 8% per year. Okay, sebelum kita mulakan cara kerja tu, terlebih dahulu kita kena kumpulkan maklumat yang dibagi dalam soalan. So, apa yang dibagi adalah I equal to 8% per year. So, PG for is 1,100, 8%, and for the 5 years. Okay, this is the way. Okay, this is the cash flow diagram for question number 8. It's 5 years. The interest will be 8 years. So the P equals to 6,000. PA is 8%. The year will be 5. So from the table, compound interest factors table, we look at the percentage of 8. In the fifth row, it will be a 3.993.
Okay.
Okay, then 1,100, the PG, we look at the appendix in the table. The PG will be 7.372, the 8% of the fifth row.
Okay.
So when we total this amount, it will be the 32,066.
Okay. So the answer is 32.066 yeah.
32,066.
Okay. Thank you. Venue, let me check yeah.
Okay, welcome, Doctor.
Thank you very much. And then I think the answer is correct. Rasa-rasa firasat. Okay, correct ya. 32.0 32,000 66, yeah. Okay, let me check. Maybe this one is a bit because this one is about gradient. I think you know about gradient already, right? When PM1 teach you gradient has two kind, arithmetic and geometric gradient, right? So we should understand which one you will use. In this kind, we want to find what's that? To find P reason. They first they given A, yeah, given A. What is the symbol? Okay, this one is gradient. Each year also gradient using each year as the symbol, but the difference is constant rate. Yeah? Constant rate. This one is gradient, and also for 6,000 here. Okay, this one is profit for 5 years. This one is also continuous through 5 years, and then determine the present worth of the profit at interest rate per year. So here we can get a information 6,000, and then we get information 8% per year, and then the year is also the same 5. So we combine it together, yeah, between to find P and to find P given A, to find P given G, yeah, gradient, and then we can get the result 32,066 ringgit. The answer is correct. Okay, the important here is about gradient calculation. You need to identify based on the theory given by Dr. Wan. Please identify arithmetic gradient and what is the second one? The second one is geometric gradient. Two kind, ya. Okay, thank you. Siapa tadi venue?
Iya, Dr. Vino. Welcome, Dr.
Thank you very much. Kasih tepuk tangan lagi, kita skip lagi.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. And then we go to the number 9. Siapa number 9 ni? Number 9. Farhah Dahira.
Saya Doktor. Khairul.
Ah, Khairul kan?
Yes.
Okay, please Khairul, please. Stop.
Jap.
Anda ni kelas mana?
Mana nak share?
Lapar pun ada.
Sarapan.
Dah makan tuh kalian?
Apa?
Dah sarapan tuh?
Dah.
Sudah. Awal lagi.
Sana di sana itu. Apa nak jual pula sedih?
Nampak Doktor?
Okay, please.
Yeah. Roll ball screws are suitable for high precision applications such as water jet cutting. Yet, their total manufacturing cost is expected to decrease because of increased productivity, as shown in the table. Determine the equivalent annual cost at an interest rate of 8% per year. Okay, soalan ni, kita nak cari annual, so kita kena cari T lah. So kita akan guna formula yang arithmetic gradient 2A.
Arithmetic ya?
Okay,
please.
Okay. So kita guna A, base amount dia 200. Dan kita guna sign negatif sebab dia menurun.
Dia makin sikit ya?
Ya.
5%. 5 apa ni? $5.
Decrease dia 5 ringgit.
Okay.
So guna formula AG ni ambil dalam table 8% 3.099. And I ni interest dia 8% and 8 adalah number of year dia.
Okay, correct.
So 200 tolak 5 darab dengan 3.099 dapatlah jawapan 184.505.
Okay, excellent. Tepuk tangan banyak-banyak. Okay, thank you, Khairul. Let's check ya. Mantap, mantap. Banyak yang bagi applause. Rasa correct, betul. Number 9. Berapa jawaban Khairul tadi?
Uh, 184.505.
184 betul ya. 184.51 di sini. Betul.
Oh.
Beda sedikit ya. Jadi dah nampak lah ni they have penurunan dia 5 ya. Reduce 5 sampai sini dia aritmatik dia berkurang 5. So we just put this one is 5 and then we can put it here. Then dalam kurungan ni based on the table and then we will get the result. I think this one is no issue ya. But the important is you in this question you need to identify what is the reduction, the arithmetic reduction. Contohnya misalkan 3 ke 4 ke 5 kan itu kena faham ya. Kena semak baik-baik dia perubahan dia. Aritmetik ni kalau tes psikologi test normally they provide they give the question about arithmetic ya. Kalau ada pernah tes psikologi. So okay, thank you ya, Khairul, for your answer. For a great answer, let's go to number 10. Apa nombor 10? Ada yang nak menunjukkan? Tadi Azri. Sekarang Azri Hanafi ada? Azri, ibaratkan kau Azri. Tak ada ya. Berten lagi. Melanie ada tak Melanie? Chin. Melanie?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, please, Melanie.
Okay, I read the question first. So the number 10 is about Azim Sendirian Berhad makes a panel milling machine that emits low vibration and process stress relief aluminum panels. The company wants to borrow money for a new production facility. If the company offers to repay the loan with 60,000 in ringgit in year 1 and amounts increasing by 10,000 ringgit each year through year 5, how much can the company borrow at an interest rate of 10% per year? From the question, the keyword is 60,000 ringgit in year 1. It's the base amount. And then the increasing by 10,000 ringgit each year to year 5 is the gradient. Okay, I forgot to share my screen. Sorry.
Saya diam-diam je.
Okay. Okay, these are the graph. This is the uniform, and these are the gradient. So follow the formulas, then we apply the compound interest table from here. 10% interest rate, year 5. And these are the amount. Okay, we get the answer.
There is 296 ya. 296,000. Correct ya? Betul, udah Melanie.
Okay.
Okay, thank you Melanie for the answer. Let me check ya. Kalau dapat kita bagi dia applause ramai-ramai.
Okay.
Thank you Melanie. Semoga
Bye.
betul.
Ini ada print பண்ணனும்னா சொல்லுங்க.
296. Okay, the answer is correct. Tepuk tangan ramai-ramai lagi. Okay ya, the explanation Melanie explains correct ya. So now we should identify the uniform formula and also the gradient formula. Which one is uniform, which one is gradient. Here we can
Kamu
see
pengen lah
here
sebenarnya.
the
Melihat
60,000 here is the as the uniform, and the 10,000 is increasing. I mean amount increasing each year. This one is the gradient, yeah.
Jangan
But
அவன் பேர்
here,
எனக்கு நம்ம எனக்கு
so
கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு ஏதோ ஒன்று வரும்
是啊。
அவன் பேர் என்ன நீ சொல்லு
இங்கிலீஷில் பேசுவான்
இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுவான் நான் தமிழ்ல ரிப்ளை பண்ணுவோம் அவர் இங்கிலீஷ்ல
அவன் தான் அவன் பேரு சிரன்
சிரன் அப்ப அவன் தான்
okay,
பிரேம்
then
சிரன்
we will get the 296,000 ringgit point and 60, yeah, 66 ringgit.
அவன்கிட்ட
So
ஒரு
the
வாட்டி
answer
பெண்டிங்
from
கொடுத்தா
Melanie
செஞ்சான்
is correct.
இன்னொரு
Thank you,
வாட்டி
Melanie.
கேட்டேன் அது இங்கிட்ட அங்கிட்ட உலாத்திட்டு இருந்தானா
Okay.
அதோட கொடுக்குறேன் படிக்கிறேன்
Okay. Okay, let's go to number 11. Number 11. Number 11 siapa yang ada ini? Muhammad Rifki. Ada tak Muhammad Rifki?
எடுத்தோடனே ரொம்ப செய்யக்கூடாது இதெல்லாம் செய்யணும் ஓவரா செஞ்சதே இவ்வளவு வலிக்குது எனக்கு
Kalau
அண்ணே
coba apa lagi ni?
கொஞ்சம் தான் ஆக்சுவலி
மேலே
Fikri,
கொஞ்சம்
Fikri,
இது
Muhammad
கொஞ்சம்
Fikri.
செய்யணும் மேலே ஸ்டார்டிங் சும்மா
Ya, saya doktor.
one setல இருந்து two set
Okay, please. Muhammad Fikri.
எடுத்தோடனே மூணு செட்னா சுத்தி
Macam ini Afgan.
Tapi tak boleh nyanyi.
Tak boleh nyanyi yang lagi boleh. Wah. Saya dah dulu.
Okey, saya share. So kita punya daripada soalan kita boleh dapat bajet dia 75,000. Kita nak bayar dia dalam masa 5 tahun. Dalam setahun base amount dia 15,000 dengan interest 10%. Dan kita nak cari uniform arithmetic increase each year iaitu G. So daripada formula kita masukkan masuk dan dekat table tu kita rujuk table A over G untuk 10% dan 5 tahun kita dapat 1.810 dan kita ubahkan dia 75,000 tolak 15,000 dan dapat 60,000 dan bahagi 1.810 dan kita akan dapat uniform arithmetic dia iaitu 33,014 ringgit 92 sen.
Okay. 3314 energinya.
Yep.
Thank you, Fitri. Thank you.
Okay, doktor.
Check. Number 33. 33 berapa tadi?
3314.
Betul lah 3314. Okay, the answer is correct ya. Let me check ya. Here, if the company expect to spend 15,000 in year 1, kita taruh dulu 15 year ini di sini di awal, ya. And then this one G, we want to find G. The question is about G. Determine how much uniform arithmetic increase. Uniform arithmetic is G, ya. You want to find G, and then we will get the result. Yeah. Okay, wait. Okay, we will get the result here. Okay, 33 point. I think this one is we got this from one. Ini tadi apa? 75,000 ni apa tadi fikir sebagai apa?
Itu dia punya budget per year 75,000.
Budget per year ya?
Yep.
Okay.
Untuk 5 tahun.
5 tahun. Okay, this one is this one ya. A ya. Okay, A per year. Okay, that one we will get 30,147. Correct ya. Ada pertanyaan langsung baik saja ya. Kalau siapa-siapa ada question boleh tanya terus ke Fikri dan kita boleh discuss sama-sama. Okay, let's go to the number 12. We still have 4 questions. Firdaus.
Saya doktor.
Please Firdaus.
Okey. Okay, doktor nampak?
Nampak.
Okay, saya baca soalan dulu. Determine the present worth of geometric gradient series with a cash flow of 50,000 in year 1 and increases of 6% each year through year 8. The interest rate is 10% per year. So saya buat PG sama dengan 50,000 dalam kurungan 1 tolak 1 tambah 0.06 bagi dengan 1 tambah 0.1 kuasakan dengan 8 bahagi 0.1 tolak 0.06 dapat 32,572.64.
Okay, I think the equation, formula is you can find it in the slide, right? And also in some file that they given to you. Okay, let me check number 12. Thank you, Firdaus.
Yeah.
Thank you, Firdaus Besit.
காலையிலே அனுப்புனானுங்கன்னா அவனுங்க இந்த விற்பனைங்க
Okay, let me
எடுத்துக்குவானுங்க.
check number
ராத்திரி
12.
பிளாக்கா வந்து சேரும்.
Berapa tadi jawaban? Besit berapa?
32,572.64.
மேட்டர் என்னன்னா
Tiga,
ஃப்ரைடே
320,000 ya.
மார்னிங்
573. Okay, this one is correct. So we can use the equation here. We can maybe
இன்னைக்கு
find it in
காலையிலே
the
அனுப்புனாதான் நீங்க
share
வந்து
to you.
நாளைக்கு நாளாண்டிக்கெல்லாம் வந்துடும்.
Share.
ஆனா என் வீட்டுல அப்படி இல்லையே. எது
Okay,
அவசரம்னு
you can see
சொல்றோமோ
the PowerPoint, right?
அததான் வெங்காயம் மாதிரி ஒரு நாள் 40
Maybe
நாள்
some
கழிச்சு
of
கூட
your
செய்வாங்க.
friends not, they don't have the equation. So you can use the equation maybe for this, yeah? This one, the equation. Yeah, you can use this and then you can implement it in the formula and then you will get the same result with the Firdaus, yeah?
No, nice. Hello.
This is, you can open the
Tracking
X
number என்னது?
4.5.
Tracking number என்னது?
Okay. Online the stop sharing dulu ya. Dulu. Ya. Kita skip lagi. Okay ya. From the equation we can calculate here 50,000 is the value of determine the present worth of geometry, yeah. Present worth of geometry PG, yeah, PG. Okay.
சரி. No, nice.
Kalian masih boleh dengar saya? Halo?
Boleh doktor, boleh.
Ya, ni macam blackout. Ya. Waduh.
ஆனா எழுந்து போயிட்டான். Kita udah போயிட்டான்.
Apa? Mudah-mudahan masih cukup lagi masa. Cepat ya. Saya buat cepat je ni. Mati lampu. Aduh. Pernah mengajar lagi. Nasib baik guna laptop. Alhamdulillah nasib baik ya. Berprasangka baik dengan Allah tuh. Kalau tak, saya guna PC habis dah kita mengajar. Rupanya ada kebaikan di balik situ, kita tak tahu, makanya berbaik sangka. Oke ya, lanjut. Betul ya jawabannya? Jawabannya betul. Thank you, Firdaus. Jawaban dia betul. Kita langsung saja. Saya langsung baca ya. Kalian semak, kalian punya jawaban. Sebab saya punya laptop nih, dia punya bateri dia agak-agak cepat habis, jadi aku tak sempat. Oke, nomor 13. Jawaban dia 283019. Boleh ya? Determine the present worth of the maintenance that has a cost of and 30,000 ringgit in year one, and annual increase of 6% per year for 10 years. Use the interest rate of 6% per year. So we use the equation from, you can open the equation in your, what is it, PowerPoint, yeah. So we will get the result like this. We just input the information we get,
print பண்ணி
and then we can
எடுத்துக்கிறேன் இந்த
calculate.
tutorial நான் print பண்ணி ஏன்னா
The result will be
வர மாட்டேங்குது எனக்கு எப்போ
283,000
பார்த்தாலும் அப்படின்ட்டே இருக்கேன்
ringgit.
ஒன்று
19.
கேர்லெஸ்
Yeah.
இயருக்கும் பெர்சன்டேஜ்க்கும்
Okay.
பண்ணிடுறேன்
Kita lanjut ya.
இல்ல ஃபார்முலாவே
dengar?
சாலா
Saya.
போடுறேன் மொத்தத்துல
Masih
முதல்
mati
6
lampu.
கேள்வி தான் செஞ்சேன்
Saya
அதுலயே
buka
எல்லாம் சீரழிஞ்சு போச்சு
lampu ni biar nampak sikit muka mantu. Nampak?
Nampak.
Aku black out. Macam di kampung saya sering mati lampu jadi. Oke, number 14. Berapa kalian punya jawaban? Boleh sebut?
அதான் 20%
Nomor 14. Oke, kita direct aja ya.
20%.
Jawaban dia 20% correct ya. Alhamdulillah. Ya, dah hidup.
மோட்டர் வேணுமாடா மோட்டர் வேணுமா
Oh, nasi. Ya, nasi. Oke, alhamdulillah. Kita hidup lagi. Jawaban nomor 14 adalah 20%. Jadi, so we get the information, okay, to find F given A. Okay, you can see here the company believes that by investing ni dia gonna feature ya each year, okay, and year 1, 2, and 3 it will avoiding spending 87 ringgit, 87,000 ringgit, 360 ya in 3 years. So I guess ya, if you use the formula, you can also use the formula, but you can use the table ya. You can use the table. First we just calculate it. We try to find the information, and then we will find this in the table ya. And then the number of this one will be here. So you can check for N3 and to find F given A column. This is one is 3.64. Okay, this value is in 20% interest table ya. So we can get I interest rate is in the 20% table. Oke ya. Kita siapa nomor 15 boleh? Lampu udah hidup. 15. Halo? Ada nomor 15? Nomor 15. Kita dua lagi. Oke, 15. Apa nama tadi? PC saya mati tiba-tiba, error guys. Siapa yang nak jawab 15? Ada? Di table tuh siapa namanya ya? Oke, kita direct ya 15. Siapa nak jawab? Raja Dora, Raja.
Tak dapat buat doktor. Saya nombor 15, 16 tak dapat buat. Sorry.
Oke, siapa lagi yang boleh?
Ni kan.
Hah?
Ni boleh.
Doktor,
Ya, saya.
saya jawab boleh?
Boleh. Mantap lah, gagah. Ya. Okey, Farhah ya.
Ya saya.
Okay, please Farhah, share your point.
Saya. Nampak tak doktor?
Nampak, please.
Okay. UV curable epoxy resins are used in sealing, ingot filling and as a clear coating. Your boss saw a report submitted by the Chief Financial Officer (CFO) that said the equivalent annual worth of maintaining the equipment used in producing the resins was $48,436 over the last 5 years. The report showed that the cost in year 1 was $42,000 and increased arithmetically by $4,000 each year. Your boss thought $48,436 was too high, so she asked you to determine what the interest rate the CFO used in making the calculations and determine the interest rate. So basically the question asked for the last 5 years. So and it asked for the annual. So it gives the annual worth of 48,436. So it have A and the base amount is for 42,000. Because it in year 1. So we use this formula A equals to base amount plus G, A over G, interest and year. So we just put the given in the question in the formula. So we get the answer is 1.609. And after we get this, we need to find in the tables. But unfortunately, there's no 1.609 in the table. So I need to make the interpolate. So for the interpolate, I use 20% and 25%. And in the 20%, basically in the table, there's the amount of n is 1.641. And for the 25%, the amount of I is 1.563. So the amount that we get is 1.609. So we use this formula and then we get the I equals to 22.05%, which is the 22%. And that's my answer.
22.05 ya.
Yeah.
Thank
If
you,
I
thank you,
interpolate.
Farhah. This is very good, excellent ya.
Okay,
Makin
thank you.
makin ke bawah makin susah, tapi dia pandai lah. Kita tengok ya. Let's recheck. Kalau dapat, kita bagi dia senyum ramai-ramai. Kita bagi dia tepuk tangan. Okay, 22 ya. Okay, correct. The answer is correct. 22. Okay, like this ya. The answer. Saya tak nak jelaskan. Tadi dia dah jelaskan. Okay, boleh semak. Saya dah letih dah. 48.436. Okay, kita cari nilai ini. Di dalam table. Ya, we will get the result is 22%. So Farhah dapat betul. Kita bagi tepuk tangan banyak-banyak lah. Bagi senyum, smile. Bagi smile ramai-ramai. Farhah, terima kasih Farhah atas
Thank you,
usaha.
Doctor. Welcome.
Let we check the last one. Nanti calculation yang detail tu boleh di-share ya. Maksud saya macam ni. When we discuss together like this, so your friend can read and can hear together. So later, if you don't understand the person who answer, you can ask directly who answer this point. You can ask them. So later, if some of your friend maybe don't understand about this, how you get this, you can discuss together, or you can ask directly to your friend. Yeah. Okay, number 16. Siapa number 16? Ada yang nak jawab? Soal ini? Siapa? Muhammad Hazim. Please share. Last one, this one. Minum dulu. Azim Muhammad Azim. Okay, please, Hazim, that's your answer. Yeah? Halo, Hazim, dengar tak suara saya? Hazim, tak ada suara. Hazim? Oh, Hazim. Sama Evan Hazim.
Soalan dia
Suara.
Azim, tolong Azim. You
Putus ya, Hazim. Tak apa. Lanjutkan. Cannot?
you
Hilang suaranya. Okay, Azim. Okay, like this. I note your answer. Yeah. I note your answer. Let we check together ya. I note your answer. It's okay. Sorry, maybe the line is not so good there. Ya. Terima kasih atas robot. Berapa jawaban Hazim tadi? Ada yang ingat tak? Berapa jawaban dia? Betul ya Hazim. Tadi dapat nilai ini ya. Dapat nilai ini. You got this result ya. 6.89366 ya. And then we do interpolation in 10%. Okay. 10% interest table, or use spreadsheet function to display n is 12.3 years. Yeah, the answer is correct. So we can calculate, and then you can find this formula. Yeah, this formula in the table. Okay. Maybe later I will share this. Yeah, I will share this answer. For you all, please, your tutorial file submit in the. I will later provide the folder in ULearn. Please submit it, and this one will be as your attendance record. And also, please submit. Maybe I give until tomorrow. Yeah, don't more than tomorrow. Yeah, is it okay? Correct. Halo, jawab. Oke.
Boleh doktor.
Oke, sekarang tadi katanya siapa yang udah selesai ya? Kita belajar udah selesai, kita tinggal ada masa 20 menit. Silakan siapa yang nak nyanyi.